Hello friends, in this video I'll show you 30 by 50 site floor plan. This is the ground floor plan. Consists of parking area and 2 BHK house. This is the first floor and second floor plan. Let's see details of house. This is the first floor and second floor plan. Let's see details of each floor. One request. Please subscribe this channel. This is the ground floor plan. Length of site is 50 feet. Width of site is 30 feet. This is east direction. This is west direction. This is the north direction and this is the south direction. Towards south 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards north 3 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards west 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards east 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. This is the parking area. Length of parking is 20 feet 3 inch by 27 feet 3 inch. This length is 12 feet 3 inch. Now staircase of width 6 feet and length 15 feet. Width of first flight is 3 feet and width of second flight is also 3 feet. The width of median is 3 feet. In ground floor are provided 2 BHK house. This is the main door provided towards north direction. All outer walls are 6 inch thick wall. All inner walls are 4 inch thick wall. This is the living area. Of size 14 feet 5 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. In southeast corner have one kitchen of size 8 feet 3 inch by 5 feet 10 inch. In kitchen and the back door is provided of the utility area of width 2 feet 6 inch. Back side of kitchen one common toilet is provided of size 7 feet by 4 feet 3 inch. In southwest corner have a master bedroom of size 8 feet 11 inch by 9 feet. For this bedroom have attached toilet of size 4 feet by 6 feet. This is the second bedroom of size 9 feet 5 inch by 9 feet. Here completes the ground floor details. Let's move to first floor. This is the first floor and second floor plan are same. Through this staircase we enter into first floor in clockwise direction. In north side a balcony is provided of width 3 feet 6 inch. This is the first portion and this is the second portion. Let's see details of first portion. Here main door is provided towards north direction. This is the living cum dining area of size 14 feet 5 inch by 9 feet 2 inch. In southeast corner have a kitchen of size 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet. In kitchen one back door is provided here for utility of size 2 feet 6 inch. This is width is 2 feet 6 inch. Here backside of kitchen one common toilet is provided of size 6 feet 3 inch by 4 feet 6 inch. In southwest corner master bedroom is provided of size 11 feet 9 inch by 8 feet 3 inch. Wardrobe is provided in master bedroom of width 1 feet 6 inch. In master bedroom have a attached toilet of size 6 feet 9 inch by 4 feet. In northwest corner have a second bedroom Half size 10 feet 11 inch by 7 feet 9. Here comes the first portion of details. Let's move into second portion. Main door is provided towards north direction. This is the living cum dining area. Half size 14 feet. Half size 14 feet 5 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. We have a open kitchen. Half size 8 feet 3 inch by 5 feet 10 inch. Here also back door provided in kitchen or the utility area. Half feet 2 feet 6 inch. Backside of kitchen, one common toilet is provided. Half size 7 feet by 4 feet 3 inch. Here have a master bedroom. Half size 8 feet 11 inch by 9 feet. In master bedroom have a attached toilet. Half size 4 feet by 6 feet. In northwest corner have a second bedroom. Half size 9 feet 5 inch by 9 feet. Here completes the second floor plan. Both first floor and second floor are same. We can add one more floor also. Same plan. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit bell button to get latest update and keep supporting.